John 14 verse 15, If you love me, keep my commands. Deuteronomy 5 verse 33, Walk in obedience to all that the Lord your God has commanded you, so that you may live and prosper and prolong your days in the land that you will possess. 1 Samuel 15 verse 22, But Samuel replied, Does the Lord delight in burnt offerings and sacrifices as much as in obeying the Lord? To obey is better than sacrifice, and to heed is better than the fat of rams. Luke 11 verse 28, he replied, Blessed rather are those who hear the word of God and obey it. James 1 verse 22, Do not merely listen to the word, and so deceive yourselves. Do what it says. Joshua 1 verse 9, Have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid, do not be discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. Romans 6 verse 16, Don't you know that when you offer yourselves to someone as obedient slaves, you are slaves of the one you obey, whether you are slaves to sin, which leads to death, or to obedience, which leads to righteousness. Hebrews 5 verse 9, And, once made perfect, he became the source of eternal salvation for all who obey him. Isaiah 1 verse 19, If you are willing and obedient, you will eat the good things of the land. Psalm 119 verse 60, I will hasten and not delay to obey your commands. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.